Hi Cancerians, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to give you the relationship reading for the month of October 2020. I am sure you must be waiting for that. Your generic predictions are already online, already in place on the channel, so you can look for that. And you can see this reading in continuation and extension to your relationship area, which we have already explained in the month of what is going to happen in the month of October in the video which is already there on the channel. Before we go ahead and start the reading and start flipping the cards for you, I would like to share my contact number with you, and before that, please do subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I welcome you here. Reach me on 918448901791. Email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com and visit my website www.blossomlifetarot.com. Isn't it wonderful to connect with you all every morning and have this beautiful energy shared with you all? It feels wonderful, right? So let's get ahead and read it further. Meanwhile, I'm flipping the cards for you. I would like to mention that be positive in life, okay? Things go in positive direction. If it is not going already, God has a plan in place already for all of us, and if things are not going the way you wanted them to happen in your life, I will say that then God has a better plan than you and me, what we had planned for us. So at times we plan something and things do not go the way we wanted them to, but when it happens so well. I've taken 2 relationship cards also for you while we are talking. Yes, we can do that simultaneously, and I'm also taking one more card as a love advice to you. We will see how will this consultant connect with other consultants and give you a wonderful advice. I'm sorry. Okay, so here we are. Enclosed. You're feeling enclosed. You've shut down your feelings for anyone else. Is it? You don't want to share. You've guarded yourself so strongly that you don't want to talk to anyone. Why? What happened? I will certainly have to clarify this card first, and then I will move ahead for you. Betrayed by someone. It's a betrayal which is there on the cards. You have been betrayed by someone recently, and this is why you feel you've shut down your windows of your heart, doors of your heart completely. You don't want anyone else to enter in your life, and you are keeping patience right now. You're being patient with this feeling. I appreciate that completely. I admire that about you, Cancerians. You're emotional sign, but at the same time you guys are introvert, and right now you're exactly acting like the traits, the pure traits of a Cancerian. That's what you are doing. Patience works very well in such situations, and I think you are on the right path. That's what I feel. You're happy, or you're trying to be happy right now, but if I see the cards and I tell you the exact situation of your heart, then I will say that you are trying to show the world you're very happy, you're so glad, you feel wonderful, but you're not. Maybe you're trying to show others that you're happy because you don't want them to get hurt seeing you upset, but you cry when you are alone. You're upset about the loss. You never wanted to lose, you never wanted to lose it. You know why? Why are you happy? Why you're trying to be happy? You still see hope, and that's the best part about a Cancerian. They're very hopeful. They always have hope. Something will, something or the other will work out, and that's what you are doing. That's beautiful, isn't it? Now, how are you making yourself happy? How are you trying to kill your time? How are you trying to divert yourself from this painful breakup, betrayal, what you have gone through? You're trying to spend as much time as you can with your family. And if you are not doing that already, and you were waiting for this reading to come live and see the guidance, I will say that spend time with your family. be there with your family, be around them. If you're married, you were in an extramarital affair and you got a betrayal from there, I will say go back to your family. They will act like a strong wall for you. I have a very beautiful card which will actually give you goosebumps when I will tell you about that, because that card was the last card I pulled out for you for your reading, and that card is actually talking to your current card what I was reading for you, which is your family time. Though I always read that card in the last of the reading, end of the reading, but I want to read it now for you. It says the great thing about feeling deep, profound, earth shaking love is that you can start with anyone and anytime. Maybe the relationship you left behind for someone else, you can still start it, you can still give it a start. Start where you left, or start where you are right now, with the people you are with right now. That's what the universe is telling you, and that's a beautiful energy, isn't it? God is giving you a chance to restart your life from where you had left it. Very few people get the chance in life. That second chance in life, you're getting that, Cancerians, in relationship. What if this person did not turn out to be the way you wanted him to? It's okay. It was his destiny, his karma. Let him move. He was doing something behind your back that is not called loyalty and honesty. He was breaching that criteria. He was breaching that in a relationship behind your back. So things were happening behind your back. You didn't know about it, right? That's okay. That's okay. It is their karma. Don't curse them. Don't blame them. It's okay. Let them move on in life, because you will also move on. God is giving you better chances. If you are associated in a creative project, I think you can meet up with a person there. This person's energies, if I have to tell you his or her personalities, he's very charismatic. Maybe if I put it secondary, I will say that the first quality of this person is he's very, very passionate about whatever he does. Whosoever is around this person feels like that, that person will feel like as if, there's some kind of energy this person has boosted in the people around them. These people are very passionate about everything. This is the personality of this person I am talking about. You will soon be introduced by this person if you're already not know this person, or this person may be already there in your life in your past, with whom you are having this time. Maybe your ex-partner was someone like this, and then you were having kids and family all together. But then you crossed that, breached that, and then you got into something else, and then now you want to come back. Don't worry, this person will accept you. There is an acceptance on cards. There is no loss. There is happiness. You'll be happy with child energies. If you have kids in the family, connect with them. Spend some time with them. You will feel better. Right, Cancerians? Don't worry. Everything happens for good, and whatever happens for well. Your own wellness and goodness. That's a beautiful energy. There are people who are keeping an eye on you. So since you are upset, they know that you are not completely well, whatever you are doing, they are keeping an eye on you. Your family members are very protective of you. They're keeping an eye on you. They're taking care of you. You're very hardworking. You're nice. That's there. Now what you actually need is, you need a heart-to-heart conversation with the person with whom you are not in, you're going to be reunited with, or you want that person to be in your life. So conversation is the key to resolve any problem what you have in your life right now, Cancerians. So solve that with talking to the person. That's one important sign I want to tell you. Second, if people who are meeting with a new person and they feel attracted towards that person, I think you can actually have a relationship with this person, because he might or he will turn out to be your soulmate. It's a soulmate card which has come in for you. So he'll turn out to be a soulmate for you. It's a good energy, wise energy. Go ahead with that. Ups and downs is a part of life. It comes and goes. If you will not see ups of life, you will not feel that hardworking and that motivated when you are down in life. And when you have seen the down part of your life, downsizing of your life, you will never value the up, when you are on the upper side of your life, when you increase your levels, when you are upskill yourself, you will never value that. Okay, so it's a balance what universe and the nature balances in your life provides you, so that you be grounded. Okay, so be happy, be nice to people around you, be positive, take care, and please subscribe to the channel if you have not already done that. And take care. God bless you. Bye.